A cough is a reflex to clear irritants or mucus from the airways. It can be triggered by infections, allergies, asthma, environmental factors, or acid reflux. If a cough is interfering with your daily life, it's important to seek help. You can talk to a trained health practitioner to discuss your symptoms, request a medical certificate, prescription, referral, or simply address any concerns. To get started, visit Hola Health. Choose your consultation type. Fill in your details in a secure online form that typically takes minutes. Include your Medicare information in the next step to complete the online form. And complete the payment through our secure gateway. In less than 15 minutes, you'll be connected to an Australian-registered medical practitioner instantly. Request medical certificates, scripts and more with Hola's licensed medical practitioners, available 24/7.